Okay, love bugs, to know me is to know my love for water wave hair, especially when it's time for the warmer months. This is where I pop out and I just feel like I am in my element. The water wave hair is just gonna give that va-va-voom, the fullness, the body. I feel like it just complements my face in so many ways and I just love it so much. Not to mention, it's so easy to maintain, right? So today I've teamed up with Nadula Hair. They sent over this beautiful Bye Bye Knots 7x5 closure water wave wig. She is 100% glueless. And I literally mean no glue, no gel, no spray. She is not bonded down at all by any means. I did throw a little bit of sideburns on the side just to give it like more of a frontal vibe. And to set her off, she is a drawstring wig. So you guys already know, flip her up, pull the drawstring out, and I'll even show you guys. Say you're out at an event, you want to make sure your hair is going to stay and not slide. You can literally pull that drawstring out, adjust her like so, and then tuck it right back in, and you are literally protected. Look at this. Nice full body in the va-va-voom, and she's mine with the perfect pre-everything look. I didn't have to cut the lace, bleach the knots, or tint the lace. Again, chef's kiss. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today I've teamed up with Eunice and we look like we have some wavy hair. You know it is about to be hot outside and the weather is changing when you see the wet and wavy come out. This one here is absolutely nice and beautiful. It's a water wave texture, and of course it's a pre-everything wig. So when you remove all of this, you'll see you have the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. I love the color of the lace also. It looks like it's going to be nice against my skin tone. You have that beautiful scallop cut along the hairline, which is also going to act like camo. Flip it around and you'll see that this is a closure wig, which means it's going to fit nice and snug. And then you do have two combs here. In the center you have an adjustable and removable elastic band, and this will help to make the wig fit a little bit more snug and not slide as much. And then here at the nape, you do have a large comb, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. So did I say elastic band? And a drawstring. So this here is the drawstring. Let's get a thumbnail. And you'll be able to pull it as tight as you want and adjust it. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps in the back, and we're gonna go ahead and throw her on so that we can adjust that elastic band together. So this is what she looks like on. As you guys can see, the hairline is nicely pre-plucked. As I mentioned, this is a closure wig, so it lays pretty flat as well. And then the parting is already done for you, so you know, it's a perfect parting. This is what she looks like from the back. The hair texture is nice and wavy. It's very defined straight out of the box. The length is perfect for me, and then the hair itself is nice and full. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like pinned up really quickly. When we access the nape, this is the drawstring that they provide. I'm going to go ahead and pull on mine. And I'm going to allow the stopper to pretty much adjust the hair exactly where I want it to be and keep it there. But now it's nice and full, and we can take that drawstring and nicely tuck it back into the wig. There's also this comb here, so if you want to like go ahead and push it into like your braids, that's going to help the wig to fit a little bit more comfortable and like complete as well. Kind of pull everything down and make sure nothing is showing, and you are good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and do a simple and quick install. Today I'm going to do baby hair because we love a good baby hair moment. And I'm going to do it on the side like this. Take some edge control. Okay, so I did some baby hair, nice and simple, into the side. Now we can go ahead and do a little bit of dynamic duo. I am going to use a little bit of wax along the front. I feel like it just looks a little bit more slayed. I mean, I try my best to just use the mousse all over, and while it does look good, I just feel like it doesn't look as slayed as when we do the dynamic duo, especially along the hairline. So I'm going to generously take the wax along the hairline as well as the parting. electric hot comb. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the Dynamic Duo. I can't tell if you can tell the difference, but I most certainly can. Now we can go ahead and tint the lace so that we can add a melt belt and let this one just marry all together. You already know for the hairline we're going to use Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, my fave. I'll have it linked down below. Here is what it looks like with the product, and of course what it looks like after, or before rather. And that looks so good. It looks super duper natural. Let's see if they provided us with a melt belt, and they did. They gave us not one but two, so let's go ahead and put one on. Okay, so if you notice, we did not spray down the lace, so it is not melted like with a product, just lace tint and the natural vibes are going. So now we can go ahead and work on the ends. I think it looks good as is. I think you can kind of like comb or brush it out and you will be good to go. But of course, we want to play with it and see, you know, what we're working with. So today I kind of want to just do like a water and oil vibe. I think I never ever do that vibe, so I think it would be fun to play. And if we do, we're gonna go with good old H2O in a continuous mist spray bottle because these are the best to me. And then I'm gonna go in with the Aussie Curls or Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil, and I'll have this in the description box as well. So let's see how this performs by itself with just good old water. Okay, so we are done. We did the water and oil trick. Now let's look at it from the back. This is what it looks like from the back with just water, oil, and a good old unbrush. And this is what we're working with the hairline. Absolutely flawless. I love it so much. The only thing we forgot to do was to tint the parting. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. And I'm just going to take good old Ruby Kisses. I'm going to go in with the shade 15 in the mineral powder and just pack it into the parting space. And that looks amazing. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the front. It is still 100% glueless, no glue, no gel, literally no spray. I love the fact that the hair is nice and it has movement. It doesn't feel like it has any product in it, but it also smells really good from the oil or serum that we use. And it is a curl defining oil, so I don't know if it really does like define the curls all by itself, because this one already has a beautiful texture straight out the box. I assume that it's just gonna, you know, help whatever is already good with this one. Okay, so I just took some pictures. Tonight is my cheat night with the kids. We are about to watch a movie at home, but I do want to do a fun quick hairstyle. So I have a bunch of little mini rubber bands, the little small ones that I use on my girls' hair and stuff, and I'm going to take two and I'm just going to do two little quick ponies on this one and just show you guys how fun you can be with your wigs, and you don't even have to like part it out and do the most. I'm going to try and show a little bit of parting in there because I like the way that looks. Grab it. They don't have to be super tight. They don't have to be super even. They don't have to be super perfect. I mean, you don't want to look crazy, so use, you know, your best discernment to get it right. But again, I more so as a 30-plus-year-old young lady would do this more so when I am going out with the kids to events with them, like sports mom stuff, dance mom stuff. We're going to Sky Zone or something like that. I would do this hairstyle just to have fun, more than I would for like adult events. But even then, just have fun, right? Just like that, I elevated the look and gave it some splash. It's still 100% glueless. And just like that, we turned it into a whole completely different fun look. She's still 100% glueless. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, love bugs. So you guys seen this one in its beautiful natural state. You've also seen it with the 2 pigtails. Now let's go ahead and do it in a top knot bun. Now you guys know I'm not great with this style, but this is something that is easy to do for everyone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a satin scrunchie, push it all together, throw it upside down. So you seen I took the scrunchie around 2 times. From here you can kind of sort of play with your hair to get your desired look. Okay, so this is what it looks like in a top knot bun. You guys know I'm not perfect with this style, but you know. Okay, so now that you guys seen what this one looks like in a few different hairstyles, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. So you got a quick sneak peek when I grabbed the melt belt. So this is how the packaging comes. They give you this nice, beautiful tote. It's double-sided with the Nadula logo. It gives very classy with that tan and cream color combo. I really love this, and again, this is reusable and it's a good quality, so you can use this as like a toiletry bag, a catch-all bag, a lunch bag if you are in corporate America. This here is the actual bag that the wig came in, and this one lets me know. Let's get her open. This one here is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. The origin of hair is Brazilian hair, and it's 24 inches in length. Any additional details are listed in the description box. And then here we have the box. This was nicely a perfect fit inside that cute little tote, and it is Nadula, has her nice little logo on it, and inside you also see that Nadula with that little blue tab. Very great attention to detail. You guys already seen the melt belt, but they did give me not 1 but 2, so the other I of course will share with you guys. Next up, they gave us the dust bag, and the dust bag also is on theme, really cute. Then we got not 1, not 2, but 3 packs of wig caps. This one here is a little bit different. It does say HD wig cap up top, and then these 2 stayed in the center. Nonetheless, they are the same. Really nice. And they got me stacked up for quite some time, so thank you, Nadula. Also in our package, last but certainly not least, we did get a pack of press-ons, and these are some beautiful white coffin. These are perfect to throw in like my toiletry bag right now because I'm manifesting a vacation or 2 when it gets a little bit warmer, and these are great to have because just say you forget or you don't have time to get your nails done before you go out of town, or one of your nails breaks. It's nice to already have a full set on deck so you don't get caught slipping. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my Saturday night. I hope you guys are well. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.